That Rivers State is one of the statutory member states making up Ohaneze Igbo worldwide. That pursuant to Article 11 of the Ohaneze Igbo Constitution, it is granted to Rivers State as of right to produce the next President General of Ohaneze Igbo worldwide come January 10, 2025. Okay. Once I'm done reading it, the President will sign, the candidates will sign, and then some select critical stakeholders, including select women, not everybody, will sign, because we want to escalate it to the respective media to know, because we have to start sounding it loud, and equally to take preemptive measures so that the whole world will know and not ask, like some people are already asking, is the Rivers State guy who President General? We don't have one. Some of them are saying, who have they consulted? So we want to let them know that we've started taking, we are ready. You know, many people did not know that. And here there was a night of tribute here. Yes. For Chief, the former late PG. Yes. Some of our elders across the hinterland Igbo said nothing happened in Rivers State and they didn't see so much from us. But we will tell our story. Maybe it was not well escalated. So can I, with the permission of the House, go ahead to read this communique? Right. Okay, sir. That Rivers State is one of the statutory member states making up Ohaneze Igbo worldwide. That pursuant to Article 11 of the Ohaneze Igbo Constitution, it is granted to Rivers State as of right to produce the next President General of Ohaneze Igbo worldwide come January 10, 2025. This is in keeping with the constitutional rotation of the office of the President General of the Apex Organization of Igbo among the 7 states. That Rivers State is fully ready to take up this mantle to lead Igbo worldwide. Our sons and daughters are poised to actualize this statutory and historic assignment for the well-being and development of Igbo all over the world. Now, the local government areas directly membering Ohaneze Igbo in Rivers State include Obiakpo, Port Harcourt City, Oyibo, Ikwere, Emowa, Eche, Omuma, Oboebe Mandoni, Ahuda East and West local government areas respectively. That we have supported other Igbo states to produce the President General of Ohaneze Igbo from inception along with other offices, and our allegiance has remained unshaken. That the Rivers State chapter of Ohaneze Igbo worldwide has produced the following national officers in times past. Number 1, Deputy Secretary General, National Financial Secretary, Secretary General, Deputy President General, and other offices too numerous to mention. Now, therefore, we appeal to Igbo all over the world to stand by the Constitution of Ohaneze Igbo and ensure that a free, fair, transparent, and credible election is conducted come January 2025 to elect national officers, President General of the Rivers State Extraction inclusive. We strongly believe that a strict adherence to the Constitution will bring about a harmonious, peaceful, and prosperous Ohaneze now and in the future, particularly now that we as Igbo face existential threats by internal and external forces opposed to our unity, survival, and development. We so appeal, may God help us all. So at this